Good evening, I'm Kofi Mensah, chale.news. Tonight, the MPP's March fallout is heating up and Jubilee House won't say a word. 1 year after 8 officials died fighting Galamsey, Ghana's rivers are worse. Inflation just hit its lowest point in years, but Parliament quietly handed away 300 square kilometres of our land. A lot to get into. Let's go. The NPP's Democracy Under Attack march is not dying down. Youth organiser Salam Mustafa has vowed to legally defend every party member facing prosecution, while an NDC MP called Jubilee House's response to the march petition very disrespectful. Jubilee House, for its part, has said absolutely nothing. The silence is loud. 1 year ago today, a helicopter went down at Adansi Akrofuom, killing Defence Minister Omane Boama, Environment Minister Murtala Mohammed, and 6 others. They were on a Galamsey mission. 12 months later, water quality has worsened at 16 of Ghana's 41 monitoring stations, and not a single official finding from the crash investigation has been made public. Full analysis on chale.news, and it gets worse. Award-winning journalist Erastus Asare Donko says illegal miners are now using Ghana's cooperative mining scheme as cover, operating freely across Ashanti, eastern and western regions. Arocha Ghana says the fight has reached, quote, a point of hopelessness. That phrase should bother everyone. While attention was elsewhere, Parliament ratified 6 mining leases on August 5th, handing private companies rights to over 300 square kilometres of Ghanaian land for up to 25 years. The Economic Fighters League is calling it a generational giveaway and demanding 50% state equity plus a 4-year moratorium on new concessions. This deserves far more scrutiny than it's getting. Parliament also passed a bill raising 2 fuel levies and scrapping a diesel price loophole the government says cost the state $25 million in just 6 months. The minority calls it a new tax. The majority says it's closing abuse. Either way, industries now pay up front and claim a refund within 14 days. Here's the good news, and it's genuinely good. Ghana's inflation dropped to 4.6% in July. That's the lowest in years, down from 12.1% just 12 months ago. Food prices actually fell month on month. Rents, trotro fares and school fees are still biting, but the shopping basket is breathing a little easier. On the diesel cut, the government says the 2 Ghanaian cedis per litre reduction costs nothing. It's just trimming NPA regulatory margins. But an energy analyst flagged that the same mechanism could leave the NPA holding over 1 billion Ghanaian cedis in liabilities. No one in government has addressed that warning, and no end date for the cut has been given. Meanwhile, indirect US-Iran talks have entered what mediators are calling their final stage, with Iran's foreign minister heading to Pakistan tomorrow for further negotiations. Ghana spent 51.7 billion Ghanaian cedis on petroleum imports last year. If those talks collapse and the Strait of Hormuz is disrupted, that diesel price cut disappears overnight. COCOBOD warned this week that Ghana's cocoa harvest could fall by up to 300,000 metric tons next season. A potential 40% drop blamed on swollen shoot disease, aging farms, and El Niño. Global prices shot up more than 15% in 3 days. Then profit-taking hit, and they crashed back. 800,000 farming households are watching this closely. 3 men with AK-47s walked into a mobile money hub in Fiapre, Bono region at 7 in the morning and opened fire. 2 people are dead, one of them a bystander who was simply nearby. 2 female vendors are at Sunyani Teaching Hospital. The suspects took 40,000 Ghanaian cedis and vanished. No arrests. The Trump administration has launched a visa bond pilot, requiring some immigrant visa applicants to deposit up to $250,000 before they can even get a US visa. Starting in the Dominican Republic, but officials say it could expand worldwide. That includes Ghana. No refund process for denied applicants has been announced. Read the full story at chale.news. A fire tore through 6 dormitory rooms at Wa Islamic Senior High School in the Upper West region. 138 girls lost everything they owned. No cause confirmed yet. It's another entry on what is becoming a very troubling list of school infrastructure failures in 2026. The Adansi SHS situation just got stranger. A viral video is claiming to show police inspecting an alleged burial site on the school campus. Ghana police have confirmed nothing. The headmaster is still at KATH with a skull fracture. 6 students remain in custody, and the school is shut indefinitely. Chale, this one stings. Reports say Ghana is about to sack Queiroz, the coach who took the Black Stars to the World Cup knockout stage for the first time since 2010. The GFA Executive Council allegedly wants out after contract talks broke down over assistant coaching salaries. No replacement named. Nigeria's Super Falcons demolished Egypt 6-2 at WAFCON tonight. Oshoala opened from the spot, and they did not look back. Ghana's Black Queens face Mali today, and our analysis says a draw may not be enough to advance. The Queens need to go and get it. That's your evening, a heavy day, but you're informed. Every story we covered tonight has deeper reporting waiting for you at chale.news. See you tomorrow.